Hello there, it's DJ Stavropoulos. Thanks for watching my video. I stumbled upon this new listing yesterday, June 25th, 2021. It's a beautifully fully renovated home at 116 Sisson Avenue Northeast here in Atlanta, 30317 in the heart of Kirkwood. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath, just over 1,000 square feet, and it's listed at $499,000. One of my colleagues at our in-town office named Andy McKeegan, he goes by Andy Mac. Apparently he does renovations, which I didn't know until yesterday. And this is a perfect example of what you can do if you buy something and have the skills and money and wherewithal and resources to renovate it. He did a fantastic job, as you'll see in the video. I believe he bought it a few years ago for somewhere around $250, and now it's listed for $499. So have a look, and if you have the opportunity, check it out live. I'm sure it won't last long. It's a very interesting corner lot on the corner of Sisson and Delano. As you can see, not much has been done to the lot. It's pretty deep. It's about 125 feet deep and almost 60 feet wide, kind of a blank slate here. So it slopes a bit, but they have left an opening in the fence in the back, as you can see. So if you wanted to extend the driveway into the backyard for a 2-car parking pad or potentially build a garage, if that's doable, if you haven't exceeded the lot coverage, I'm not quite sure, but plenty that you can do back here. I think it's fascinating that he put both a deck and a screen porch in here. Screen porches are not very common, especially on a house this size at this price point, so that's definitely a really strong selling point. As you can see, it has tons of curb appeal. It's a really nice shaped house, crisp popping white, gorgeous wide rocking chair front porch, as you can see. So kind of a nice place to just sit and relax up on a hill, watching the world go by. So definitely an eye-catching house. I'm gonna have to dig up the prior listings to see what it looked like in the past, just for comparison. Inside's a nice, very open concept floor plan with your living area, dining room, and kitchen all combined into one large space. Not a huge space, but the proportions are great. No wasted space, really. Good size kitchen, dining area, and family room, as you can see. And in the next little blurb, I zoom in on the kitchen to show you the wonderful finishes. It's really amazing how that came out. Love the kitchen, and kitchens are what sell homes. Actually love that bright tile, although it's probably not everyone's taste. Something went wrong with the dishwasher. It was originally going to go in the island, but now it's by the sink. So there's a big hole there. They're gonna have to fill it with something. The screen porch is a killer. I mean, it makes such a difference. I've got one in my house right now, and to see one on a house this size at this price point is amazing. Everybody loves to live outdoors. And this house has both a screen porch and a deck next to the screen porch and a very deep lot. So plenty of room to live outdoors if you get tired of being inside. This is where you eat outside and sunbathe, and I'm a little jelly because I don't have both of these. I only have a screened in porch. Like the kitchen, the baths have fantastic finishes. This is the secondary bath, halfway down the hall on the left. Nice deep soaking tub. Again, more bright bluish green tile on the walls, and you'll see at the top there's a nice skylight to let some light in. Very, very sharp and crisp and on point in terms of design. This is bedroom number 2, just beyond the bathroom we just saw. Would do well as a home office, a nursery, or a child's bedroom. Which brings us to the master suite. This is the bedroom area. It does boast a working fireplace. It is working. Those two guys are actually finishing up some tile work on the mantle there. So good sized room, front of the house, very bright, lots of windows. And as you'll see in a minute, they took one end of the room, probably about 3 feet, and made an entire wall of closet space covered by those 6 folding doors that you see. Like the kitchen and secondary bath, the master bath has fantastic finishes. No tub here, but a really nice wide shower stall instead. If you want to take a bath, you just have to go to the other room, but I think most people these days prefer showers anyway. and the width of this makes it suitable for two. So very nice timeless finishes, nice window, lots of light, just a great master bath to accompany the master suite. Only limitation here is there's one sink. I probably would have figured a way to fit two sinks in this room. Yes, I'm literally taking the shower for a spin as I stand here and rotate and take it all in, especially that fantastic black honeycomb tile in that inset and the product that sits within it. And last but not least, who doesn't want a wide rocking chair front porch on the front of their home where they can sit and relax with a drink and watch the world go by? Thanks for watching.